Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of the English language one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. Our word of the day is alert, a C1 level adjective that means quick to notice or respond. It's such a useful word for describing someone who is attentive and aware of their surroundings. Let's dive into how you can use alert to make your English even more precise and dynamic. When we say someone is alert, we're talking about their ability to be observant and react quickly, whether to danger, new information, or sudden changes. For example, if a driver is alert, they are focused on the road and ready to respond to any unexpected situations. Being alert isn't just about safety. It can also describe someone who is mentally sharp, like a student paying close attention during a lecture. Some great synonyms for alert include attentive, vigilant, and watchful. For instance, you could say, the security guard was vigilant, keeping an eye on every corner of the building, or during the test, she was extremely attentive, catching every detail in the questions. Each of these words shares the sense of being keenly aware and ready to act. On the flip side, antonyms of alert would be words like distracted, careless, or oblivious. You might say, he was so distracted by his phone that he didn't notice the bus approaching, or the careless approach to the project resulted in several mistakes. These words highlight a lack of attention or readiness. In everyday life, being alert can make all the difference. Imagine you're walking through a crowded market. Staying alert helps you navigate safely and avoid bumping into others. Or if you're preparing for an important meeting, being alert ensures you're fully engaged and ready to contribute. Here are a few examples of alert in action. The hikers were alert to the sound of rustling leaves, knowing a bear might be nearby. She stayed alert during the long flight, making sure to drink plenty of water and stretch her legs. The toddler was unusually alert for his age, quickly recognizing shapes and colors. That's all for today's episode. To recap, alert means quick to notice or respond, making it a powerful adjective to describe someone who is aware and ready for action. Don't forget the useful synonyms like attentive and vigilant, as well as antonyms like distracted and careless. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. It really helps others discover the show. I'd love for you to try using alert in your own sentence and share it in the comments. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.